Repeaters in Wix Studio are powerful layout tools for displaying lists of items, e.g., products, events, with consistent design but unique content. They're flex responsive and support dynamic data from CMS collections. 1. Adding a repeater. Open your Wix Studio project in the editor. Click Add Elements, left panel, Layout Tools, select Repeater, or Slideshow Repeater for carousels. Drag it to your page or click to add. Pre-built templates, for example cards, grids, appear. Choose one. In the Inspector panel, tap Manage Items to add, remove items. Start with 3-5. 2. Customizing design. Select an item. Add elements, text, images, buttons via Add Elements. These auto-apply to all items. Edit per item. Click individual items to customize content. For example, unique text and images. Style globally. Inspector. Layout. Grid. Flex. Spacing. Alignment. Add A/B patterns. Alternate colors. Shadows via styles. Responsive. Adjust per breakpoint. Desktop. Mobile. 3. Using with dynamic data. Add. CMS. Content Manager. Create collection. For example, products. Connect. Select repeater. Connect to data. Choose dataset. Map elements like image to photo field. Items populate automatically. Add filters, pagination for interactivity.